To all of us, click or call Culligan Water and start saving today.
Good Saturday morning. Hope you enjoyed the work week. The big story and also on social media has been Tropical Storm Barry, and that remains pretty strong in the Gulf of Mexico, just south of Louisiana. And it's about 50 miles offshore and about 55 miles southwest of Morgan City, Louisiana. As far as our impacts here, we'll see a moderate rip current risk along with some long period swells, but you can see the big story is some heavy rain, especially on the eastern side of this tropical system. Now, it doesn't look like a typical tropical storm or even a hurricane where you have the circular structure to it. More of the convection, or at least the stronger cloud tops or the thunderstorms, are on the southern and southeastern side of the storm end. But you can see some dry air starting to intrude on the northern end. That's what's keeping it from strengthening into a Category 1 hurricane. So I do think it remains a tropical storm as it moves into the southern part of Louisiana in the next few hours or so. Now, it's also encountering a lot of wind shear. Remember, wind shear is unfavorable for hurricanes. This is what normally a tropical storm or a strong hurricane looks like. Warm air rises and kind of ventilates out from the northern parts of the storm tops. But when you have wind shear, the upper levels are moving quickly, so the clouds don't have a chance to kind of form and organize itself. So wind shear kind of tears apart hurricanes and also tropical storms. So that's what we're kind of seeing. You can see the circular motion to the Barry as it moves north-northwest in the next coming hours. The green and red colors indicating a flash flood warnings and watches, along with tropical storm watches and warnings in effect until further notice. And a lot of the cloud tops are stretching from parts of Corpus Christi all the way east into the Gulf of Mexico, with a lot of the heavier bands of rain moving into eastern parts of Louisiana and Mississippi this morning. You can see the circular center right over here, just south of Louisiana and southwest of Morgan City on this Saturday morning. As far as wave heights, don't have to worry about them too much out in the Gulf where the storm is the strongest. About 8 to 10 feet of wave heights out to our west along the coastal bend, up to 2 to 3 feet. So, a rip current risk is up there along with long period swells, but as far as coastal impacts, not much in the way of Barry this weekend. As far as the track, it will move along the Mississippi River into parts of Louisiana and also into Arkansas Sunday morning around the central part of Louisiana, and then into Arkansas by tomorrow afternoon. So it's going to drop a lot of heavy rainfall, up to about 10 to 20 inches is expected on the eastern side of Louisiana and also